What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today is another episode of Bartending with Bones. We're trying to beat the rain, so it's going to be a quickie. Today, we're doing up Conch. It's a mixture of light rum and lime juice. It's a kind of a sour drink. So, pucker up and let's get to it. First thing you need is a shaker cup filled about a quarter way with ice. So also you need to pre-chill your old-fashioned glass with some ice cubes. Get you some light rum. Today I'm using Bacardi Silver. Get you your jigger. We need 4 ounces of light rum. So that's 1, 2, and a quarter. Now your lime juice, flip it over, and there you go. Put your top back on, shake it up, strain it out. Cheers, everybody. First thing you taste is that lime juice, then that rum kicks in right after that. Kind of takes me back to that time when I went on a cruise to Jamaica. Got a lot of that island flair in it. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you. Have a good day.